Hello, Facebook fans. This is Renee Rutten here, and we are doing day 2 of Canva. And today I just want to give you a couple of resources, places to find stock images. I use a fair amount of stock images in my Canva designs, but I have a little trick that I want to show you that I use to make those designs look, or those images look, a little different than maybe what another 100 people or whatever that are using the same image might be using. So first of all, let's go over here to my Word document, and I have made links here which you can copy down. The first one is www.com or www.pixabay.com. And the second one is www.morguefile.com. And they both have free and paid images, but a lot of free images that you can use, and you don't have to be paying for images. One thing to keep in mind, and that is in today's day, most of us are carrying around cell phones that have very good cameras in them. And really the best picture, the best image that you can possibly use is an original one that you have taken. And then you can be sure that your creative looks different than anybody else's because it is your own private image. However, sometimes there's a specific image of a specific car or landscape that you want, or barn, or whatever it is, and you need to go to resources like this to get your picture. So let's just click on Morguefile, and I'll let you know what that looks like, and I'll also show you how to download an image and get it into your Canva account. So here on search photos, I'm just going to say barn, and up here pops all kinds of barns. Doesn't really matter which one we pick. This one kind of struck me as I opened it up, so let's just pick that one. And so then I'm going to say download, and that's going into my downloads on my computer, and I'm sure that is where it is going to go on yours also. Okay, so how do we get that into Canva? So let's go to Canva. This is your home. And let's say that we're going to create a Pinterest graphic. So we're going to click on Pinterest, and that is going to open up a blank graphic. Okay, over here on the left-hand side is uploads. And these are images that I have previously uploaded for things that I have used in some of my creatives. But we're going to go to the top here, and we're going to click upload an image. Now we're going to go to downloads, which is selected there. And I'm going to double click that image, and it is going to populate it right here. Okay, so now I can just click on that and bring it into my creative space here, and voila. That's how you download a free image from one of the free sites, and there are other sites too. In fact, if you know of a site and you want to share it with the followers here on Generate Your Wealth, that would be awesome. Give us a list of any other sites you have that are free sites. But I promised you a little trick, and here is the little trick that I use. I will enlarge an image like that, go up here and say okay, and then see how it's the same image, but yet that view of it looks a little bit different than maybe the automatic load that everyone else is going to be using. Here's another view. You could use that one, and that might be about it. Those wouldn't be much good because you're not even seeing the barn there, but you can move it around and come up with a little bit different images than just what defaults in. So that is my little trick for today, how to upload images and how to make them look a little bit different than other images. So I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you on day 3. Thanks. Bye-bye.